Many factors impact your career advancement. Your corporate wingman or a woman, the person who cheers, supports, and promotes you, is one of the most important factors in your career. Let's see if you have one and set you up for success right now in this video. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented individuals like yourself. So in case you're up for weekly career acceleration tips, subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Of course, at the extreme ends, there are two camps for career development. One that swears for the results of pure hard work and results delivery. And the other that places bets on networking and personal branding. Hybrid is my preference. Results delivery is a must. You cannot BS your way around up for too long. But in addition to the results, your advancement requires that the people upstairs in the organization know about your capability, or that you even work for the company. This is where your wingman comes into play, big time. Before we continue, I wanted to share some exciting news with you. My new online, on-demand program, How to Advance Your Career with Your Current Employer, is officially live and ready for you. So if you're looking to speed up your career progress, check this program out via the link in the description. So, what is a wingman? Let's look at the military term first. The wingman's role is to support aerial combat by making a flight both safer and more capable, amplifying situational awareness, increasing firepower, and allowing more dynamic tactics. The concept of a wingman is nearly as old as fighter aviation. In essence, wingman's role in your advancement within your company is the same. Amplifying situational awareness. Teaching and training you what's going on within the corporation, how does it all work together, where's your place and how can you get maximum exposure. Increasing firepower, what skills are needed, when to use them, how to use them, what's useful, what's not. Increasing firepower, getting also opportunities to show what you can do, get the right projects, the right windows of opportunity, and allowing more dynamic tactics. Again, more opportunities, more visibility, more routes and paths to take you upstairs or laterally, wherever your target might be. With the addition of marketing you within the upper ranks of the company. That's what they also do well, and that's what they should do. Wingman is someone who is on a personal level interested in making you succeed. They know your skills, they like your style, and they recognize your potential. Otherwise, they would not have interest in that, but they do when it's the right person. And the key is this: they have seniority, upstairs listens to them, and there is impact. I mean, our peer levels or subordinates will not be in a position to promote us. Whether we like it or not, upstairs does all that work. So reflect on your current status. Do you have wingmen or women in place? Is there active promotion on your results, your capability, and ambition upstairs? Or does the success get stuck on your seniority level and the biggest reward is a round of applause at the project completion Teams meeting? Nobody gets promoted just from there. Another tip is to draw an org chart for the levels above you. Circle your wingmen. If you don't have any, start making your picks and get closer to them and network. And finally, who is a good wingman anyway? Power, authority, personal interest in your skills, someone who sits at the office location where you want to work. Nice to have, of course, would be to have a direct manager who is on a mission to advance you. But don't count on this. Build your own path and network in addition. Say hello to your wingmen and women, show them what you are capable of, and happy advancement. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.